Amber, you didn't say you're gonna eat it. That was your job. Amber's gonna eat a warhead. I fell at this. It's gonna make me puke again. Oh, let's hope not. I sit there. Me.
Brandy, this one is yours.
Oh god. I still like these ones. But I have mine right here. I'm gonna use the same one you guys do.
I have one. Oh, it's not my turn yet.
No sour face, Amber?
This one is
Then
mine.
how sour are they?
This one is mine. Because
Yeah, she didn't get the sour one yet. Alright, how about this? Amber, spit it out. Where's the candy? I like the green apple one.
Here's the lemon one. That one's really stout.
We're gonna put her with blue raspberry. Put it
I
in.
got one.
Put it in your mouth. I'll go with lemon. I didn't spit it out somewhere. Oh god, right in my hand. Yeah, Brittany, eat it. Okay, I'm eating a different kind because that one wasn't sour. You want me to make an ugly face?
Here's the blue one.
Yep, she's got
You eat. No, you keep that one. You're going next again. Ew!
Smell that?
Keep it in there.
Victoria, is that your butt?
Oh, Amber fell. Okay.